with Rose Emily. I hope you guys are doing super good today. And today, I hope you guys are ready for another easy family recipe. I'm going to be sharing with you today how to make delicious and easy garlicky cheesy breadsticks. I'm telling you guys, buy the bread, add cheese, a delicious like buttery garlic spread, and you're done. Put it in the oven until the cheese melts and you have a delicious appetizer or side dish with your salad, with your pasta. Hope all of you guys can enjoy this recipe. My kids enjoyed it, so if you have kids, you gotta make this for them, okay? Don't order pizza, make this delicious cheesy breadsticks. Are you ready to make this recipe? Let's get started. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with the delicious butter spread. I have here half a cup of melted or soft butter. We're also going to need fresh parsley, finely chopped, as well as garlic, fresh chopped garlic. Now what we're gonna do is add half of a teaspoon of the fresh garlic into the butter. We're gonna mix very well. If you love garlic, you can add a little bit more. And now we're gonna add the fresh parsley and we're going to mix. Now let's set this aside and let's get started with our bread. Over here I have a large loaf of French bread. You can also use Italian bread or whatever bread you have at home. All we have to do is cut it and split it into half. And using a rolling like pizza pin, I am going to flatten the bread out. And now we're ready to add our delicious butter mixture. Make sure you cover the bread in this delicious garlicky butter. And now we're ready to add our mozzarella cheese. I am adding enough to cover the entire loaf of bread because cheese is better. More cheese is better, right? So I practically use about 2 bags of mozzarella cheese. And I'm also going to add grated parmesan cheese on top just to add another depth of cheese flavor. We're also going to be adding dried parsley on top for color, as well as dried oregano. And that is it. All we have to do is bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the bread is nice and crunchy. As you can see, so good, super quick. Now we're gonna cut it into breadsticks. And all I did was serve it with our favorite marinara sauce. You dip it there, you have the perfect appetizer, perfect dinner, perfect side dish. I hope you guys enjoyed this delicious garlicky cheesy breadsticks, and I'll see you on my next video.